So, ito medyo hinabaan na ni Nice ang explanation niya. Sabi niya, "Mi, explain ko ulit sa'yo regarding sa Congress kasi di mo rin gets eh. Hindi siya nag-take oath kasi sinunod niya lang yung rules. Stated dun sa rules, only the witnesses will take oath." Yun na nga. Kahit may batas o wala, never in the history na resource person or a witnesses will never take oath because that's a clear manifestation that a resource person or even a witnesses will tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Ganon yan, be. At saka, kung ako ang pagsabihan mo na hindi nakalagay sa rules, actually, ruled out na yan sa Supreme Court that the witnesses and the resource person, isa lang yan. And at the time sa Congress, wala pang witnesses dun. They are all resource person na pinapunta para makatulong in aid of legislation that if there be in cases na may loophole or may hindi nakita or nakaligtaan para maayos ang isang batas or magsasabatas. Yun ang purpose niya. Bakit siya pinapunta? Even so, hindi na kailangan magmatik-matik sa rules. Dahil kung ikaw talaga ay isang public officer wherein you are holding the public trusts, you are inaasahan na be accountable, transparent, at sana naintindihan din ng Princess Gorgornio that a statement not hindi siya na oath, a plain statement cannot be used as a resource statement from a resource person in aid of legislation. Kasi nga, hindi siya na oath. Kumbaga, walang bigat, walang gravity to any statement na ibigay ng Princess Gorgornio or to any resource person. Hindi nagagamit, nagsayang lang ng oras. Bakit hindi siya magagamit? Maaaring i-deny ng resource person yun. So, nagsasayang lang. Oo. 'Di ba? So, kung ikaw, being a resource person, and you decline to take your oath, anong bigat sa mga sasabihin mo? Mikos-mikos lang? Yun tayo eh. Galing-galing mong magkwento ng rules. Isip-isip din te, dyan sa rules na aram mo. Pambiringan eh. Anyway, check your narrative. Check your comprehension. And most of all, check your logic. How can you use the statement of a certain resource or witnesses that didn't push through the conviction of his or her words through panunumpa?